I'm Jeff Lutz from Ogallala, Nebraska, and this is my harvest wall. One of the things where I come from is we don't have a lot of restaurants and varieties, so cooking and those kind of things we have to do on our own to have good food. Good food comes from the garden. That's some of the best food that we have. We were like, how can we figure out a way to grow in our home? So we thought hydroponic systems, we thought aquaponic systems, what kind of things could we do? Well, the thing that we noticed when we go to the farmer's market is you would buy hydroponic tomatoes and they would taste watered down. So we started to look around and find a system, and we came across a harvest wall. It's an amazing system that we're able to take up a little amount of space and grow our plants vertically. And what we liked about it instantly was good tasting food. It's simple to use, it's thought out, it's easy to put together, a couple wrenches, and this thing's up and running. It's so simple. But what makes it great is how it irrigates and how it uses dirt. That's the way plants were intended to grow, is using dirt. This thing gives you the microbiome that you need for good tasting vegetables. Absolutely. I see it changing the world. I literally see farming going back to the homeowner, back to the small guy. You're able to bring the food into your home and grow it in your own garden, in your own space, the way that you like it. And it's a great hobby. This fits our lifestyle. It fits our busy lifestyle. We're able to set the settings that we need to easily using the controller and leave it for 2 or 3 days, no problem. Even longer than that if we need to. My wife and I, we've never done a ton of gardening. We're not professional gardeners, but we had good tasting food in a month. This is absolutely going to revolutionize the way we think about growing.